Thank you for clicking on this 2020 Sea Ray 190 SPX Outboard. This boat is in a black hull color with a matching black Mercury 150 4-stroke, as well as a black bimini. I'm going to take you guys through a close-up look at this boat. You can see here the upgraded sea deck. We have the ski post pedestal bar, boarding ladder to the port side, and we'll climb up here in the cockpit so you guys get a close look at this boat. Thanks for joining me in the cockpit of this 190 SPX. Catching some shade under this gorgeous big large bimini, but as you can see, there is still plenty of sun to be had on the aft lounger. Lots of room to board on either side of this Merc 150. The outboard configuration in the 190 has just been explosively popular. And under the lounge seat is a massive dry storage locker, divided on each side, so smaller items and bulkier items have a spot. Gas strut assisted, makes it really easy to open and close. Large bench seat in the aft, and then the companion seat to the port side of the helm, and the captain's chair slides both forward and swivels. We have a Simrad 5-inch plotter sounder combo, along with gauges, fusion audio, a tilt helm, and cup holder and electronics plug-in power, 12-volt power to the right. Moving port, we have a glove compartment, cup holder, and convenient port side storage. Nice protective windshield that opens in the center to give access to the bow seating. You have enough space up here for 3 adults comfortably. There's storage under these cushions as well. The center cushion removes to be a step up to the bow for beach boarding or bow entering. Stainless steel upgrade on this particular boat. Stone gray interior with white gel coat and black hull. Just brings it all together. Large ski locker in the floor. Can also hold fishing rods, other large items. Deck. Thank you for taking a close-up view with me on this 2020 Sea Ray 190 SPX. This is Matt Norman with MarineMax Clearwater. We'll see you on the water.